Do you want to know?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, I'm Blizzyivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome back to my channel. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out any of my future videos. And in today's video, I'll be doing perm rod on my transition hair. You can also use this on your natural hair. So these are the perm rods I'll be using. They are medium and they are number 5. Again, this is the first size for my hair, and also I'll be using Eco gel, and here is the Eco gel I'll be using. And you all know, if you have been watching my video, you know that Eco gel is my favorite gel. I also have here my cream, cantu shea butter cream, and I have my water here. What I'll do now is to section my hair in parts. Because of the two texture I have on my hair, I can't work it directly, so but when I section my hair in parts, it will enable me to work very well and without too much of stress. So I will spray my hair with water. I'll go with this cantu shea butter that I showed you earlier. So I just apply this on my hair. With a big tooth comb, I'll comb it from the tip down to the root. So it's time to apply the Eco gel.
Do you want to know?
The 3 packs of perm rods are finished. So what I'm going to do next to fill up the remaining parts, which is this part at the back, I'm using this flexi rod here.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like,
and I'm done with the rolling, and this is how it all looks like. I leave the hair overnight to let it dry very well before removing it, and I did use it on it, so the hair is dried. And so now is the time to remove the perm rod. So I'm done removing it. You can see, like, I feel like to leave my hair this way. It looks so beautiful. The next thing now is to do some style using my finger. I'm just going to use my finger to separate it a little bit. This is the best protective style for transition hair. So if you are transitioning or you have a natural hair, you are going to love this perm rod set. It's so beautiful. I love the outcome. Can you see my hair? It's so beautiful the way it looks like on my hair. I so much love it. This is the best so far. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.